Having dark circles under and around eyes makes you feel and look tired throughout the day. However, making certain changes in your skincare routine, lifestyle and diet can help you to get rid of dark circles. Some foods help to prevent the dark circles from the eyes and keep it healthy. 1. Cucumber. Cucumber is loaded with water and helps to keep the skin well hydrated. It has silica, sulphur, vitamin A and E, which helps to improve the collagen in the skin and thus improve skin elasticity. Eventually, it helps to get rid of dark circles. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon has 92% water that helps to keep the skin hydrated. It has beta-carotene, lycopene, fiber, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium and magnesium, which helps to keep the eyes healthy and removes dark circles from the eyes. 3. Tomatoes. Tomato is one of the most powerful antioxidants that contain lycopene. It helps to initiate healthy blood flow in the skin and also keeps the blood vessels healthy. This results in getting rid of dark circles. 4. Beetroot. Beetroot helps to maintain the collagen of the skin and prevents dark circles as it contains folate, vitamin C, magnesium that helps to keep the skin around the skin healthy. It helps to keep the pigmentation of the skin intact and reduces dark circles. 5. Broccoli. It is rich in vitamin K and plays an essential role in promoting proper blood circulation to reduce puffiness and discoloration. So these are the 5 best foods that prevent dark circles.